Hi everyone, in this video, I will explain to you what is the best settings for SteelSeries ArcTIS Nova Pro on PS5. So as you can see here, you might like to try this out. Here's the numbers per EQ, custom. Here are the numbers. Under the settings tab on PS5, go to sound, 3D audio for headphones and enable 3D audio. And here is a bonus tip. On your Nova Pro base or box, go to Audio Options, ANC Options, Transparency, and turn it on. I have mine at 10 and it really gave my ears some breathing room. Didn't feel so weighty, which he likes. Now check it out and see what you think. So here is the custom EQ. Just copy it, pause it, then copy it. Here is the numbers per EQ. Pause it, then copy it. And that's basically it.